Now, we also do not learn from our experiences. We keep on again doing more things. And so, our life is not really firm and rooted in God. But we are by nature rooted in God. And yet, we are also doing what was done in the Old Testament. The same kind of behavior. Why? Because we are not aware of ourselves. All the time we are in our thoughts and in our feelings. We are doing our jugglery there. We are building up castles there. That is what happens to us. And then we promise something to God, which is maybe we are capable of and doesn't hurt us or others. So we could be doing such manipulations. Now when we come here, we are coming with that attitude. And so the Lord knows what is going on in our hearts and in our minds and in our lives. So today it's better that we ask Him, as we have already asked Him to forgive us our sins, all these things, and to make us much more firm in our decision, just as Pius X did. He remained very simple and humble, like Mary, our mother, simple and humble. If we are simple and humble, then we will not look into ourselves to do the things. We will look into God to direct us. That we must remain firm and determined.